Hello, my name is Dennis Boyle, and I observed a special education mild mod self-contained classroom at Frank West Elementary School. The observation lasted 2 hours, and I focused my attention on the students' learning environment, the learning environment structure and schedule, as well as the positive learning climate. There was a lot of good things happening in this classroom that I observed. Some of the positives was that the learning environment um, that I walked into provided a lot of individualized support due to the one-to-one student to staff ratio. The Also, I saw that the team used timers throughout each period. The students responded well and were given a heads up, 5 minutes and the 2 minutes, and before transitioning to the next period. Overall, the staff did an excellent job providing a positive learning environment for the students. They were very supportive. They reinforced with praise. They gave words of encouragement, and also they had sticker charts. The students had sticker charts, which they responded very well to. Staff knew the students' limitations and provided students with frequent breaks. Some areas of improvement that I saw, one was being the daily schedule was very detailed and long. It was on the left side of the board, and it went pretty much from the top of the whiteboard to the bottom. A lot of words. It did not have any pictures, which I feel like that would have been a great addition to have. Something as basic as instead of math, or next to math, it would like have a plus or minus symbol. But they didn't have any pictures to go with the subjects. Also, the students had personalized bins that stored their textbooks, folders, their library books, any supplies. However, the bins were not labeled with their names. They do have a small class size, but I can see that if their class was a lot bigger and the bins being the same color, that the bins can easily get mixed up in the back of the classroom. So that's something I would suggest on labeling more. And another area of improvement is related to the learning environment and scheduling. I would have had a visual schedule on the board to let students know, like, they're going to be going to the blue group or the red group or the green group, and then have each table correspond with a different color. And I believe having labels for each table for students would help prepare them for the transitions and allow for better classroom flow and organization. Um, I noticed that when the teacher had the students um, transition to a new period, the teacher was directing the students to go to this table, that table, that table. When I feel like if there was like a color next to, let's say, mathematics, so this student would go to the blue group or the blue table, this student will go to the red table, and so forth. um, Overall, I feel like the team worked very well together. They provided a positive atmosphere and a positive learning environment for all the students.